Hello everybody. Today I'm going to demonstrate a lesser known TRX movement. It's the double leg extension. It integrates quadricep and core strength with hip stability, which is important for everybody. So make sure your suspension trainer is lengthened to mid-calf, which is approximately 12 inches from the floor to the bottom of the cradles. You're going to lie back, drop your cradles on top of your feet, roll over. Hopefully you have a mat, but it's no biggie if you don't. Hands are going to be under your shoulders and your feet are going to be flexed. You're going to lift your knees off the mat or floor, bring them right under your hips, and what we're going to do is just extend those legs. So lifting the hips up by extending the legs and bringing the knees back down. So why don't we just do 12 of these? Why not? Because it's a lot of fun. Here we go. Extend, lift, and down. That's 1. Lift and down. 2. Lift. 3. 4. 5. 6. 7. 8. 9. 10. 11 and 12. Knees down. Lift your feet out of the cradles, and that is a double leg extension. Maybe next time you do one of my TRX workouts, you'll see that move in it.